Today, R.D. Sharma, 10th standard, page number 10.32, exercise 10.1, 17 sum, prove the following trigonometric identities. 1 plus secant theta divided by secant theta equal to sin square theta divided by 1 minus cos theta. Solution. Take left hand side. 1 plus secant theta divided by secant theta. Secant theta replaced by 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos theta. Secant theta equal to 1 by cos theta. Numerator take LCM. Cos theta plus 1 divided by cos theta. Denominator take reciprocal cos theta by 1. Cos theta cancel. Remaining cos theta plus 1. Next step. Multiply and divided by conjugate. Multiply and divided by conjugate. 1 plus cos theta or conjugate 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta. Multiply and divided by conjugate 1 minus cos theta. Using identity a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Here a equal to 1, b equal to cos theta. So numerator changed by a square minus b square whole divided by 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta. Numerator replaced by identity 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta divided by 1 minus cos theta equal to right hand side. Using identity 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta.